So I'm sure you're familiar with this page. It's the default page where your customers can post the job. They see the map, they see the candidates, etc. And the key thing here is this drop down, where to post the job, they need to select a top level category, which then takes them obviously to post the job into that category. But we've just built a new feature which changes that. And it changes this section here into a search bar. And when you type into the search bar, it will show you a list of all the freelancers who match that search result. So let's go and enable it now. Replace the post job dropdown with a search bar that leads to the post job page and displays matching freelancers. Let's enable that. Save it and then refresh this page. Here's the search bar. Type in the search and you can see it's now searching, and in this case it matches all of them. Let's change that to Pierce instead. And you can see it's only found Pierce here. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just get in touch.